Ever pondered about the top places to visit in Palestine? We're about to embark on a virtual journey that will span majestic historical landmarks and breathtaking natural wonders. In the coming moments, we'll count down the top 10 must-see locations in this enchanting land. From the ancient city of Bethlehem to the awe-inspiring beauty of the Dead Sea, we'll dive into the heart of Palestine and uncover its hidden gems. So, sit back and prepare for a journey through Palestine's rich history and stunning landscapes. Starting our countdown at number 10 is the Dead Sea. This extraordinary body of water holds a secret, a high salt content that defies the norms of buoyancy. Here, you don't just swim, you float effortlessly as if by magic. The water, dense with minerals, suspends you in a weightless embrace. And it's not just a delightful quirk of nature. The minerals also offer therapeutic benefits, making this sea a natural spa. A dip in the Dead Sea is indeed a one-of-a-kind experience. Next, at number 9, we have the historical city of Bethlehem. Imagine walking the same streets where the story of Christmas began. Bethlehem, the birthplace of Jesus, holds immense significance to Christian pilgrims from all corners of the globe. This ancient city resonates with the echoes of centuries-old stories, etched in its time-worn stones and winding pathways. Its rich history, hospitality, and captivating charm make it a must-visit destination for everyone. Bethlehem, a city that truly breathes history. Number 8 on our list takes us to the ancient city of Hebron. Known as one of the oldest inhabited cities in the world, Hebron is steeped in history and tradition. It's home to the tomb of the patriarchs, a site revered by Jews, Christians, and Muslims alike. The city's rich past is reflected in its architecture, from the winding streets of the old city to the stone houses and courtyards. Hebron, an ancient city with timeless allure. Coming in at number 7, we find ourselves in Ramallah. Often considered the cultural heart of Palestine, Ramallah pulsates with a modern vibe, intertwining with deep-rooted traditions. It's here where the art scene thrives, with contemporary galleries and street murals igniting the cityscape. And let's not forget the cuisine. Ramallah's food scene is a delicious blend of traditional Palestinian dishes and modern culinary experiments. It's a feast for the senses in a city that's always buzzing. Ramallah, a city where tradition meets modernity. At number 6, we have the vibrant city of Nablus. Steeped in history, Nablus is a testament to the resilience of the Palestinian people. Famous for its olive oil soap, the city's craftsmanship is renowned worldwide. In the heart of the city lies the bustling Old City Market, where you can immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of sights, sounds, and smells. From the echoes of ancient civilizations to the hum of daily life, every corner tells a story. Nablus, a city that captivates the senses. Halfway through our countdown, at number 5, is Jericho. This city isn't just another dot on the map, but a living testament to the passage of time. Known as one of the oldest inhabited cities worldwide, Jericho is a treasure trove of archaeological wonders. It's where the echoes of ancient civilizations whisper stories of yesteryears. Imagine strolling down the same paths that were once tread by people thousands of years ago. Quite an extraordinary thought, isn't it? Jericho, where history comes alive. Number 4 on our list is the resilient Gaza City. A city that has stood the test of time, Gaza City echoes with stories of ancient civilizations, each leaving its imprint on the city's rich tapestry. Despite the challenges, it thrives, its spirit unbroken. One can't help but admire the stunning coastline, where the Mediterranean waves kiss the golden sands, offering a serene contrast to the city's bustling life. Gaza City, a testament to endurance and vitality. Our third stop takes us to the intellectual hub of Palestine, Ahlis University. This esteemed institution has been a cornerstone of education and innovation in the region. Home to thousands of students, Ahlis University fosters an environment that champions curiosity, critical thinking, and creativity. Its influence extends far beyond the classroom, shaping the societal landscape with its pioneering research and progressive initiatives. The university's commitment to education and empowerment truly makes it a beacon of knowledge and progress. Ahlis University, a beacon of knowledge and progress. Just missing out on the top spot at number 2 is the Waloff Hotel. This is no ordinary lodging, but a unique experience that proudly touts the worst view in the world. With its location right against the Israeli West Bank barrier, This hotel offers a poignant yet stark reminder of the region's complex history and current tensions. It's more than just a place to rest your head, it's a place to broaden your understanding. The Waloff Hotel, a place that challenges perspectives. And now, the top spot. At number 1, we have the iconic city of Jerusalem. Imbued with a rich tapestry of cultural, historical, and religious significance, Jerusalem is a treasure trove of experiences. Here, you can witness the majestic Dome of the Rock, a masterpiece of Islamic architecture, and the Western Wall, the holiest site in Judaism. These sites, among others, form the heartbeat of this remarkable city, steeped in thousands of years of history. Jerusalem, a city that truly stands in a league of its own. And there you have it, the top 10 places to visit in Palestine. From the salty waters of the Dead Sea to the bustling streets of Jerusalem, each location offers a unique glimpse into the region's rich history and vibrant culture. Whether you're drawn to the ancient city of Bethlehem or the modernity of Ahlis University, there's a corner of Palestine waiting to be discovered. So get out there and create your own adventures. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, keep exploring.